Hey everyone, this is Dr. Nguyen with Refined Radiance Aesthetics. We are back here with my patient Thuy. She's 62 years old, and today we'll be doing a PRP treatment on her scalp. This will be her third time doing it, and so far we've seen great results. So what PRP stands for is platelet-rich plasma. We draw her blood, then double spin it. We use the plasma to then inject into her scalp, which will release cytokines and growth factors, and hopefully will stimulate hair growth. Alright, so now we are on our second spin. The double spin allows for more concentrated platelets. After this, we'll be drawing into little smaller syringes to be injected into the scalp. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is mixing it vigorously to get some of the platelet concentrates into this plasma, and this would be the end product, your PRP or platelet-rich plasma. So this coat right here is where all the platelets are. We're gonna mix this. Alright, so now we're going to be drawing this platelet-rich plasma into separate syringes so that we can start injecting her scalp. So right now we are cleaning this area up with some HIPAA cleanse, so that we can start to do our injection. Alright guys, so this is our last step. We're going to be using our platelet poor plasma to microneedle into the scalp in the same areas that we've injected the PRP.
Hi, I'm Thuy. I've been struggling with my hair thinning for a while, and it really affects my confidence. So I tried several treatments before, but nothing really worked. After I got the PRP therapy by Dr. Nguyen, I can see it stimulates my natural hair growth and improve my scalp health. The procedure was so smooth and comfortable. I could see more immediately improvement in the scalp texture. This is my third time. My hair is growing at like 70%. I got a lot of compliments from my co-worker. This time I got the fourth one, and I cannot see the final result to make my hair beautiful again. I'm so happy, and thank you, Dr. Nguyen. Help my hair regrow. Thank you.